Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add text box in Google Docs. So this is very simple, just follow my steps. First thing you will have to do is to go right here to this insert button under your document name, click on it. This will drop this menu where you have all of these options. You have to find drawing, like here, and then press on new. Now here it will appear your box, so click on the text box right here and then draw where you want your text box to be and write something. Then simply press save and close, and voila, your text box is right here. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.